You're not wiggling enough for her. Here she comes.
You see the big, don't touch. You see Big Red?
Oh, keep that shit up. We're going to have to put a bunch of mud around them legs to keep it from moving.
Oh, this?
Yeah.
Yeah, or concrete them in place.
She's like, I wanted you to scratch my neck.
Yes.
Yeah.
Quit touching the screen, Kimberly.
Where?
Don't. Watch her.
You got her going in circles. She's running now. She's picking it up.
She wants some.
Yeah. She's trotting. Running now. There she comes. There goes Boar. He wants to get some action.